How to translate messages on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can translate messages on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the chat icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in your DMs, scroll to the conversation with a message you need to translate. And when you go to the conversation chat, you can see the message in another language. Instagram automatically detects it and offers a switch translation options. So you simply have to long press on that message until a pop-up menu appears. In that menu, you can see the option labeled Show Translation. Simply tap on that and voila. The message has been translated. And that's it. That's how you can translate messages on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.